Dzień dobry, Merry Christmas everyone. So we just finished our dinner. Actually, I think that we can put our, Christmas dinner pictures. Damian forgot it because we are super excited because actually this is my first Christmas family dinner in Poland. So we have our family time. And we shared our joy, and we actually shared the bread kind?
The opłatek.
And then we hug each other, we share love. So this is just like for our family. I want to share to you that Merry Christmas. And Damian will show you our Christmas decoration at home. And
Christmas everybody. Since the 1 year I'm not filming that much myself because I'm busy, but today I'm still here and my YouTube channel is still existing. So everybody who watching us already since 4 or 5 years, 4 or 5 years, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Watching the Christmas tree outside and the Kevin home alone. This is the classic Sayang Arat. Oh, you under the blanket?
oh my goodness, what I can see is that this Kevin Home Alone, I grew up with this movie. Either in Bali or in Poland. And every Christmas I watch this movie actually. So if this movie is popular during 1990s and now it's 2025, so it's about 30 years movie, 30 years something.
34.
That and still exists right now.
So cool. It's
How
your
time flies.
far, Sayang, you enjoying Christmas in Poland, Sayang?
It's totally different when you're surrounded with a family and then we've got a Christmas dinner. It's so
The only one thing what is missing is snow.
it's the snow.
Only snow is missing, but yeah, climate change and stuff. But still nice, right?
Let's enjoy our Christmas Eve then.
Tell me, how do you feel, Sayang? First Christmas in Poland, Sayang. How do you feel?
Okay, so actually yesterday we start our Christmas dinner with eating the Christmas bread or płatki.
Tak.
After eating the bread, because it was a very magical moment. So Damian and I forgot to record how it is. Maybe for those of you who knows the tradition, you add the bread first and then pray together, and after that we have a dinner. So that's the thing.
Co robisz?
Kraję mięso, dość regularnie.
Nie ma to jak chłopu kroi
Jak
mięso.
chłopu kroi, to kroję. Solidnie, porządnie.
Skroiłeś? A, skroiłeś, to skroiłeś. Dobrze robiłeś.
Job well done.
Proszę bardzo. Proszę się uczyć.
Tak.
Inny smak.
Mamy ten Christmas 25th during the daytime. Actually, Sayang.
Taki nie chcę.
Nie chcesz?
Ja takich nie lubię.
A to jakie to są owocki? To owocki są.
Ja takich nie lubię.
First time Christmas for you, Sayang, right?
Normalnie w ocecie.
That's the thing. The family here.
A kiszonego ogórka nie masz? Dziecko, dziecku?
Jest, ale
Ma papa,
przyniosę
mama,
Dobra.
brat,
ja-
Marcel.
Pójdzie, chodź.
Patrz, tam gdzie ta kola jest, tam możesz podnieść tą skrzynkę. Gdzie... Ej, dziadek. A cukierki nie zginęły, a jak ładnie błyszczą, że pełno jest tego już, o Boże. Zobacz, ale cukierki z prezentu dzisiaj jest. No.
A jak tam do ciebie dojechać, do tej wioski?
Co?
Parking jest jakiś? Przed tym? Przed Poznaniem?
A jeszcze, bo ja zaczynam się macie, nie macie, że
Nie, i
nawet
tyle.
ceny.
Sayang, zimno?
Zimno and ciepło. I don't know what to say.
So zimno czy ciepło?
I don't know what the sun.
Let's go. But it's nice sun, yeah? Ooh, sunset, but no snow.
No snow.
Hmm.
It's weird.
Yeah, weird, yeah?
Christmas but not snow.
So yeah, the only problem is there is no snow. Nothing else. But the climate change, no?
Tak. It's cold but sunny. I don't know how to express it.
Just like that. Just like that. And the pure nature everywhere around. But look at the blue sky. Look at the color of the sky, Sayang.
Beautiful.
Right?
Let's go.
You helping Mama with the dishes, Sayang?
Can you wait?
Yeah.
Because I don't want Mama rheumatic again.
Okay, dobrze, dobrze,
Then Mama,
Dobrze.
let me wash all.
dobrze.
So Mama not rheumatic, okay?
Dobre, dobre. Mama no rheumatic if you help her, tak? Dobrze.